Okay, in example 3 we're going to find limits by substitution. So these are nice because I can just right away plug in for x and evaluate the limit. Alright, so if we plug in 0 for x, e to the 0, well, what is e to the 0? That is going to be anything raised to the 0 power is 1 minus the tangent of 0. Okay, so what is the tangent of 0? That's going to be 0. Plug that into your calculator if you're not sure. And then we have the cosine squared of 0. Well, that's the cosine of x times the cosine of x, and when we substitute in 0, so the cosine of 0 times the cosine of 0. The cosine of 0 is 1, so 1 times 1 equals 1. So we have 1 minus 0 is 1, all over 1. There's your answer for A. Now for B, the limit as x approaches, this is n, as n approaches 16 of the square root of n over log base 2 of n. Alright, well, we can plug in 16 for n right away to find our limit because we're not going to get a denominator 0. Well, let's take the square root of n first. So the square root of 16 equals 4. So up top we're going to get 4. So that was that. And then log base 2 of 16. So 2 raised to what power of x? So 2 raised to what power of x gives us 16? Well, that's going to be 4. So 4 over 4 is 1. Alright, so these problems were nice, again, because we could just plug in part A we can plug in 0, in part B we plugged in 16, and why could we plug in right away is because it would not give us a denominator of 0.